we're gonna make bagels for breakfast. So it's a snow day. My son is finally up and I wasn't expecting him to be home today. This is the second day staying at home. I have to find fun and engaging things for him to do. One of those things is a Lego. So I have 2 Lego kits that we kind of just keep. Now I do that. I keep like a couple of Lego kits so that he can find he has something to do. So after our lesson, we're gonna do Lego. I'm gonna take the kit out now. It's a surprise. This is a Lego kit from Christmas, actually, that he never opened. And I have, I think, one more kit that he doesn't know about. So he's gonna open this one. He's gonna open this kit, and we're gonna do it later today because honestly, he can spend hours doing Lego. So we're gonna see his reaction. It says fire command truck. It says 502 pieces. Then, did you see that? The fire helicopter?
No, it's a fire drone.
It's a fire drone, you're right.
Yeah. Can we please
We're going to do this one later today, okay? So after our lesson, Mama's going to eat. We're going to do our lesson, and then we're going to do this.
Okay.
That's going to be pretty fun.
Yeah.
So that worked out really well. Let's just turn off the noise, please. Okay, bagels are done. I'm gonna make some eggs and then I'm gonna sit down and have breakfast, do our lesson, play with some Lego, and then do some editing. That's done. That's so good. Okay. Okay, so breakfast is done. I'm done eating my breakfast. So I'm letting my son watch 30 minutes of Paw Patrol and then we're gonna get started on our lesson. A lot of the stuff that I use in materials, the curriculum, is similar to what is similar or the same to what they are using in his school. So I'm just gonna continue where I left off and build on what he's learning. I like to look at his assessments from school, what stuff we need to work on, or if we need to move to the next level, where I left off in his where I left off in our homeschooling stuff, and also just incorporating play as much as we can. But typically, again, it's like 30 minutes. I typically like to get these lessons done in 30 minutes, have something else like fun planned for the day. So today's going to be doing the Lego, and then I might incorporate another piece of a lesson if it's like shapes or drawing, working with like pencil skills, writing words, doing some reading, counting, stuff that has to do with like math lessons, learning our numbers, counting, stuff like that. But there's always skills I find that kids could be learning. Sometimes as parents, we don't realize, or we just think that it's just like the typical subjects, but there's a lot of stuff that they need to learn and practice, if it's with their motor skills, if it's with their reading, their writing, their speech, shapes, with their creativity. They're learning to be their own individuals. So yeah, we teach as much as we can. And today I also like to do some more baking. I've been wanting to do this orange cranberry loaf for a couple of weeks now. Well, about a couple of weeks now. I have all the ingredients, so if my son is up to it and I'm up to it, I would love to get that done today. So I'm gonna prep our lesson. We're gonna transition out of Paw Patrol, 30 minutes of Paw Patrol, do our lesson, do some Lego, and then we'll see where we go from there.
The mat.
Where's Cat?
On the ground.
On the ground, lying in the grass. Min is on the mat and Cat is lying in the grass, licking her paws. Okay, we finished the Lego. At least I finished helping my son put together the fire truck. There's still a couple of other pieces, but I'm pretty sure he can do it by himself. So I'm gonna see if I can sit down and get some work done. But let's take a look at our finished fire truck, shall we?
The bunny got in. Boing, boing, boing. Boing.
It is the end of the day. I'm putting some laundry away, and hubby decided to go out in this terrible weather to run some errands. So I'm just like, send me your location. No, but the weather is like, it improved. The weather actually improved, but now the temperatures are just really, really cold. I think it's supposed to feel like -32, like something crazy. So it's supposed to be very cold right now. So just waiting for him to get back. Dinner's done. I'm gonna go eat, put this laundry away, and then just wind down our day. Because I mean, in this cold, you just want to sleep. You don't want to do much. So that's our day. That's my cue. It is a treat, but you also have, here we go, Mama should do some baking.
Yeah.